Oh, that's right. We're starting to get some of our first pieces of merch in, Nodelers. Oh, baby, does that look awesome or what? I'm so excited. It's my favorite time of the week. It's my favorite time of, well, anytime, really. It's giveaway day. I love doing giveaways. Absolutely one of my favorite things to do. That's right, you heard me correctly. Today is giveaway day. I wonder which one it's gonna be. Hey there, John Henry here, SSFTG. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome, my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Today is a very special day. I mean, not only is it Friday, which is, of course, everybody's favorite day of the week, but it's also giveaway day. Hard to beat that going into the weekend, I would say. In this giveaway, the way to enter was two parts. First, send, preferably more than once, to any one of my properties anywhere in the game so that I can see your name show up, which, when it shows up twice, your little icon, it's a pretty good heads up that lets me know that you're interested in the giveaway. But the second part, and the most important part that I think a lot of people probably didn't do or forgot about, is to jump over on the YouTube side of things, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment that you did your sends and that you're interested in the giveaway. If you didn't comment or let me know that you were interested in the giveaway, those were just sends that were added into the send raffle pool, which of course is awesome. But, if you're looking at trying to get into the raffle, it's important to follow all of the steps for the giveaway. I need to know who you are in game. Like I said, it also does help if you post within the YouTube comment what your in-game name is. That helps me narrow down who you are. And then to be accepted for the giveaway, there were also some rules and stipulations for that as well, in trying to be inclusive for the lower net worth folks, trying to get them involved in a bigger project as well. And that being the case meant that they couldn't have over a 1 million UPIX net value. And, the idea, again, is that I just want to try to help folks who necessarily can't afford to pick up a property in the hood. I mean, the floor price is like 47 or 48,000 UPIX right now, which is incredible for the node holders. But at the same time, the barrier for entry is getting more and more expensive as time goes on, and it's not letting off. And then, of course, the second part of that stipulation was that they can't already be a member of the node, because we're trying to encourage more new folks to jump on board and help out the community as a whole. That's it. Once you did those things, I added your name to the spreadsheet with a number, and we're ready to rock and roll. If you missed this giveaway or didn't see your name on the list, chances are, like I said, it's because one of the rules or stipulations weren't met or were over met on some of the net worth cases. Not to worry, though, if you miss this one, because I'm going to be doing tons of property giveaways as time goes on, so keep watching, stay tuned for the next one, because there will be plenty. I went through all of the applicants that were confirmed, meaning that they did their sends and posted a YouTube comment and liked and subscribed and all that fun stuff, so I know that they're good, which I should have confirmed again by either hearting your comment or replying directly to it saying that you're in or good luck or something along those lines. After putting the list together, I had to ensure that they met all of the requirements, which did unfortunately mean that some folks were disqualified. But I did write down as to why. So, as far as the overall giveaway, right, the rules that we've got going on, they can't be over 1 million net worth, they can't own a property within the node already, send to one of my owned properties, and confirm the send by commenting on YouTube, liking the video, subscribing, all that fun stuff. All of the people in green have done all of those things and met those rules. If your name is in orange, that means that you did not meet them for some reason highlighted in red. And the reason for red most of the times was because of the net worth. 16 million, 4.3 million, 4.3, and 1.4. There was one, 995K. Whoo, baby, you're squeaking it by there. But technically speaking, we've got a few disqualifications for those, and the other reasons were for properties already in the node. And a lot of the high net worth folks already did. In fact, D684D had 3 of them already. We've already got one over here in J. So again, if your name is in orange, the reason why you were disqualified, which is why your name is in orange, is in red. So just make sure to kind of keep up to date with that. But like I said, if you miss this one, not a big deal. There's going to be tons of them to come. The property in question for the giveaway, before we jump on into the rest of the spreadsheet and the drawings and all of that fun stuff, is this one right here at 3502 West 7 Mile Road. It's already got the structure on it, and look at this thing. Man, does this look slick. I love it. Plus, the cool thing is, I tried to keep this consistent with the real world. Little side note for you. Now, I couldn't fit this big of a house on the property, but I tried to keep that light blue siding with a dark roof on there to keep it a little bit more consistent with what was going on in the real world to the metaverse. And I think it turned out really, really cool looking. So after removing the people who were disqualified, and again, hopefully you understand as to why, there will be plenty more giveaways, so do not worry, my friends. You are certainly not missing out. Maybe on this one, sure, but tons more to come. So with that in mind, we have 11 participants that have done the full confirmation process that also meet all of the requirements of the giveaway. So with those 11, let's add these 11 to our giveaway wheel over here. There we go. Ooh, I love that I can do that. That's so cool. Now, I'm doing it on the giveaway wheel really quick before we draw a winner, mainly because of the fact that these were spread out on comments across several different videos, and people were sending to several different properties. So I had to do it this way just to make sure that everyone was vetted, for lack of better words. So, the drawing for the property 3502 West 7 Mile Road. Good luck, everybody. Let's spin that wheel. Our winner is Cal Trading Co. Congratulations, my friend. Cal Trading Co. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of the property 3502 West 7 Mile. I obviously already have your in-game name. We've already gone through the vetting process. So head on over to the address of the property that you won and place an offer for 157 UPIX. Once I receive the offer from you and I can confirm that it is actually you, always a good thing, especially with giveaways when we're talking that, these giveaways are about $50 now at the floor price. I want to make sure that it's going to the right person, right? So I'll make sure that it's going to the right person, we'll vet everything, and then I will accept the offer and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Congratulations again, my friend, and welcome to the Woodhood. Wait a minute, what's going? That looks like a different address, John. What is this? Well, hang on a second now. We just finished the giveaway. That was a different address. Yes, sir. There we're doing another one. Thank you, first of all, to our incredible Woodhood hero, Galadin, for donating a property for us to do an extra property giveaway. How incredible. This is the kind of stuff that I'm talking about with our community. Galadin, my friend, you are a true Woodhood hero, and everybody who's gone in and really pushed on this, absolutely incredible effort, and this is the kind of stuff that I love doing. Fantastic. Now for this giveaway, in order to give it a little bit more time, since I wasn't expecting to give away one, in the last one I think some people were kind of confused about how to enter, I'm going to give one more day to be able to enter, and we'll do the giveaway tomorrow for the second property. So the second property is going to have the same rules and same stipulations, but just remember to do them all, right? Now, of course, Cal Trading Co., you're not going to be involved in the one tomorrow, but the overall rules: can't be over 1 million net worth, can't own a property within the node already, send, twice so that I see your name in the list so it's easier, to at least one of my owned properties somewhere in Upland, doesn't matter where, and then confirm your send by commenting on YouTube, and I think that's the one that a lot of people missed. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, subscribe, all that fun stuff as well, and that way I can confirm your entry and add you to the list. If you don't know where some of my properties are and you're trying to figure out how in the heck to find it, it's super easy. Instead of just clicking on my name and going through the whole list of assets because there's no organization there, go to upixland.me and search my username Nojik, Nojhik, and hit enter. And then in here, you can see a list of all of my properties, where they are, the location. It makes it way, way easier to figure out where they are. Once you've done the prerequisites of not having over 1 million net worth, you can't own a property in the node, you sent twice to one of the properties that I own, and you've confirmed your send by commenting on YouTube, you've liked, subscribed, and all that fun stuff, I'll add you to the list, and we will do our giveaway tomorrow when we do the weekend price update. Thanks again, Galadin, for donating your property for a giveaway. Absolutely incredible, my friend. Like I said, you are among the true Woodhood heroes, and I am so glad to have this kind of community where we can give back to one another and really help support each other. It's an amazing blessing for us. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. I hope you had as much fun as I did doing these giveaways. I absolutely love these giveaways. And the fact that we get to do another one tomorrow, oh man, I'm so pumped about that. Don't forget to go through and get all of those things taken care of if you're interested in getting in the Woodhood and you don't necessarily have the money or don't necessarily want to go in and buy a 50,000 UPIX floor price property. This is a really good way to get involved. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in the metaverse. Bye.